Hi children, how are you all? I hope all you are fine. Children, in the previous video, we discussed about that concept of transversal lines, right? In this video, we are going to discuss about the questions which are related to transversal lines. Okay? See here, ma. The intercept in the given figure is, intercept means what? The distance between two parallel lines. The distance between two parallel lines, and the distance also formed by a transversal line on parallel lines. Okay, ma? Then here, which one we will call that one as intercept here? Say that here AB, CD. Okay. AB and here CD. Okay, these two lines are parallel lines. Okay, and in the same way here, EF. Okay, here EF. Okay, ma, see that AB and here CD. These two are that parallel lines, and here EF is the transversal. Then which one we will call that one as intercept? Then here MN is called that intercept. That is the distance between here two lines, two parallel lines. Okay, ma. Then here which one is that intercept? MN is that intercept. Okay. Yes. Next, if alternate angles are equal, then the lines are alternate angles are equal. When we can say that alternate angles are equal? If the given lines are parallel, then we can say that alternate interior angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal. Okay, vertically opposite angles are equal. We know that for that intersecting lines also. Okay, ma? And here say that alternate interior angles are equal when that the given lines are parallel. Okay, see that if the given lines are parallel, and here this is a transversal, what they are asking here? Alternate angles. Alternate angles means here this is angle 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here there. Okay, angle 1 is equals to angle 7. And in the same way, here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5. Angle 5, here angle 3 is equals to angle 5. Angle 3 is equals to angle 5. Okay, here 1 and 7 are alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. 3 and 5 are alternate interior angles. Why? Because those two angles also lies inside of that lines only, no? Alternate interior angles. Okay, here alternate exterior angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal. When we can say that? If the given lines are parallel. Okay, if L is parallel to M, then only that is possible. That's why here given lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal. Okay, yes. Third one, the pair of alternate angles inside the two parallel lines are called. Inside the two parallel lines. Here, these two are the parallel lines, and this is a transversal. Okay, letters they didn't mention, no, so we can take that L is parallel to M and is a transversal. Okay, are called the pair of alternate angles inside the two parallel lines. Okay, inside the two parallel lines. These two are alternate angles, right? Okay, and those two angles also lies inside of the parallel lines, and those two are alternate angles. Clear, ma? Now, what we will call these two angles? These two angles are alternate interior angles. What we will call those two? These two are alternate interior angles, and in the same way, these two angles also alternate interior angles. Understood? Yes. The pair of alternate angles exterior to the two parallel lines. Exterior to the two parallel lines means here L is parallel to M and N is a transversal, and two angles which lies outside of that parallel lines. Outside of that parallel lines, and these two are exterior angles. Okay, ma? Those two are alternate angles, and in the same way those two are alternate angles, alternate exterior angles. Okay, clear? Yes. If the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are, when we can say that corresponding angles are equal, if the given lines are parallel, then only we can say that if L is a parallel to M, N is a transversal, then corresponding angles, let it be some A and this is B. Here angle A is equals to angle B. These two are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay, ma? Corresponding angles are equal when we can say that having the same shape. See that. Having the same shape here. Once I will show you here. See that. Here how much angle is there? The same angle here also there. Okay. And in the same way here how much angle is there? The same angle here also there. Okay. And here what is this angle? How much angle is there like this? The same angle is there like this. Okay, ma? And here also. When we can say that the corresponding angles are equal? If the given lines are parallel. Okay? Yes. See here, my sixth question. The measure of sum of co-interior angles. The measure of sum of co-interior angles is 180 degrees. Co-interior angles means what? Two angles are interior angles and lies the same side of the transversal. See here. Okay, here L is parallel to M and is a transversal. And here these two angles A, B. Am I clear to you? Now here A and B are co-interior angles. Now here the sum of co-interior angles is equal to 180. How we can say that? Here say that at this point here I am taking another angle. Say that. Here this is some X and this is Y. Okay. Now as per this one say that A plus X is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because linear pair. And in the same way, B plus Y is equals to 180 degrees. Why? Because that is also linear pair. Clear, ma? And in the same way here, L is a parallel to M and N is a transversal. N is a transversal. Okay. Angle X is equals to B. Okay. X is equals to B. And in the same way, A is equals to Y. A is equals to Y. Okay. See here, at the place of X, you can substitute that B. At the place of Y, you can substitute that A. Whatever it may be, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. From 1. Okay. First one I am taking here. A plus X is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Then here A plus X is equals to how much ma here? B is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because X is equals to B. Okay. Now here A and B are co-interior angles only, no? Now the sum of co-interior angles is equals to 180 degrees. Okay. Yes. Next one. A pair of alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. What is the definition of alternate exterior angles? The angles which are lies outside of the parallel lines. Outside of the parallel lines. And in the same way, the angles which lies both sides of the transversal line. Okay, ma? See here, both sides of the transversal line. And in the same way here, see that those two angles are exterior angles. See, angle 1, angle 8. Okay. Then here angle 1 is equals to angle 8. Alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles. And in the same way, angle 2, angle 7. Okay. If that given lines are parallel, then we can say that those two are equal. Okay. If that given lines are not parallel, they didn't mention, at that cases, angle 1, angle 8. Angle 1, angle 8. Angle 2, angle 7. Okay. Which option is correct, ma? Here, angle 1, 8, 2, 7. Yes, here it is 1, 8. Okay. Yes. Next, eighth one, a pair of corresponding angles in the given figure. Corresponding angles means just you have to observe that F shape. Okay. In that F shape, here which angle is there and here which angle is there? Those angles are corresponding angles. Okay. Angle 4, angle 8. And in the same way, angle 2, angle 6. And in the same way, here reverse F also you have to observe that. Reverse F also you have to observe that. Here angle 3, angle 7. For that alternate angles, just you have to observe the letter Z. Alternate angles, to find alternate angles, just you have to see the letter Z. Okay. Corresponding angles, you have to check that. Corresponding angles. Means just you have to check that F shape. Here. Z means capital letters. Okay, ma? Next here say that 3, 7 and here 1, 5. Angle 1, comma angle 5. As per this one here, which one is correct? See that? Okay, 8, 1, no wrong, 7 and 6 wrong, 1 and 5. Yes, here it is 1 and 5. Clear, ma? Yes. Next, 9th one. The pair of angles which are interior and also on the same side of the transversal are called. Okay, see that? The pair of angles which are interior. Okay, interior angles means how many angles are there, ma? Here 4 interior angles are there. Okay, transversal line. And here 4 interior angles are there and also lies on the same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal means AB. Or here if you want to take some other, then those 2 angles are, what we will call those 2 angles, they are asking here. Okay, ma. Now here what we will call that A and B? Here A comma B are co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles also having that another name. What I told, that is allied angles. Co-interior angles also known as allied angles. Okay, ma? Then here as per that option, yes, co-interior option not given. That's why here answer is allied angles. Okay, yes. 10th one. The pair of angles which are exterior and on the same side of the transversal. Okay. See that. The pair of angles are exterior angles. Exterior angles, how many angles are there? Exterior also 4 angles only there, right? Now here lies on the same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal, either right side or left side. Okay, either, but those 2 angles also lie same side of the transversal. Okay, ma. Now here, what we will call those 2 angles? Okay, these 2 angles are known as the co-exterior angles. What we will call? Co-exterior angles. Here we will not call these 2 angles are allied angles. Only co-interior angles are known as allied angles. Okay, yes. An example for a pair of co-exterior angles. Yes, co-exterior angles they are asking. Co-exterior angles means lies on same side of the transversal. Angle 1, angle 7. Angle 2, angle 8. Angle 2, angle 8. Okay, ma. So these 2 are the examples. Now here an example for a pair of co-exterior angles. Example, which one is correct? Angle 1, 7. Yes, this option is there. 1, 2 not there. 7, 8 not there. Yes, option A is correct. Okay, ma. Totally in this worksheet we are having the 22 questions. In this video just we learned that 11 questions, right? In that next continuation video we will discuss that 12 to 22 questions. Okay, thank you all.